Hello everyone. With this video, we will demonstrate how to use home key to answer calls in Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. To do so, swipe up on the home screen. Tap on Settings icon. Scroll and tap on Accessibility. Scroll and tap on Answering and Ending Calls option. Now press home key to answer call switch towards right to activate it. We have successfully activated this feature in the device. Let's see how it works. As we are receiving call on the device, press the home key to answer the call. And as you can see, we have successfully answered the call using the home key. You can also enable or disable this feature from the phone app. To do so, open the phone app. Tap on More icon. Tap on Settings. Tap on Answering and Ending Calls option. From here, you may proceed further as demonstrated earlier in this video. So use these simple steps and answer calls using the home key in your Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.